Szia! Welcome to my channel. My name is Esther and I'm a Hungarian language teacher. Are you learning Hungarian or thinking about starting? Then you are in the right place. I will guide you step by step through the learning process. Let's start today. Today we are going to learn a very important part of a sentence, the object. First, let's think about what happens in a sentence. Usually, someone does something. This action is expressed by the verb. The object tells us what or who the action is about. Let's look at some examples in English. I read a book. What do I read? A book. This is the object. She eats an apple. What does she eat? An apple. This is the object. We watch a movie. What do we watch? A movie. Object. So, if you can ask what or who after the verb and you get an answer, that answer is usually the object. Why this is important in Hungarian? In Hungarian, the object is very important because it gets a special ending. Let's look at this sentence. Kérek szépen egy almát. Kérek means I ask for something which requires an object. Here the object is apple, so alma takes the object suffix which is t. Let's look at how a word can take the object suffix. After a vowel, you simply add t, for example, szülő, szülőt. If the word ends in a or e, it changes to a or e. For example, alma, almát. After some consonants, in most cases, we also simply add t. You can see these letters here. Some examples: banán, banánt, rizs, rizst, bor, bort. After other consonants, however, you will need a linking vowel. Use ot for back and mixed vowel words, for example, barack, barackot. Use et for front vowel words, for example, zöldség, zöldséget. And use öt when a word has ö, ü, ü in its last syllable, for example, gyümölcs, gyümölcsöt. Gyakorlás, time for practice. Add the object suffix to these fruits and vegetables. If these words are new for you, check out my vocabulary videos on vegetables and fruits. Now let's look at the answers. Repeat after me and correct your answers. Citromot, málnát, mandarint, avokádót, narancsot, kivit, körtét, ananászt, szilvát, meggyet, paradicsomot, karfiolt. Nagyon jó! Have some more energy? Let's look at some exceptions. First, although some words end in a letter that usually does not require an additional linking vowel before the suffix t, some words are exceptional and do take a linking vowel. These are usually one-syllable words, for example, tejet, vajat, borsot, mézet, házat, tollat, sálat, halat. Another important exception is book. Könyvek. And finally, here is your homework. Based on the picture, write sentences using this expression. Kérek or kérek szépen 1 kiló. I would like to get a kilogram of. And don't forget to add the object suffix, the fruits and vegetables. Great job today! Keep practicing and you will get better every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss new lessons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Viszlát legközelebb!